Okay, another day, another awesome framer component. Okay, in this video we have another component, which is a video component that sculpt on scroll. So this is the component. Here in this example we have this component here and we have the page all the way. So what we want to do to animate while scrolling, or sculpt or scroll. So this is the video. Here we have the setting for the video. We have the video. The video I set it to 60 FPS for better scrolling. And here we have the animation on scroll or video in view or sections in view. We're gonna go over those later. Here we have video direction, forward or backward. Here we have the easing, muted, and here fit. It moves a little bit, but it's not. Let's make it like so to see it. Now let's go back. So here we have video on scroll. So if we go to preview and I scroll, the video plays. And up and down, up and down, up and down, and the video scrolls nicely all the way to the end, all the way. So this is for the on scroll. And the other setting we have, which is video in view. So I have the video here, which is absolutely positioned here. So the setting, what I want to do, I want to go in video animation and set it to video in view, and here the same as on scroll, but here we have something powerful. Start when, this is a percentage, start when 50% of the video crosses the viewport. So when up 50% start, and end the video when 45% end, 45% passes the viewport. So here let's change this to maybe 80% of the video is in the viewport, and here's video start and video end. Here if you want to start the video from the beginning to the end, or from 45% of the video to 100%, or 55 to 60, whatever you want. So let's start this. So the video now is not in view, so if we animate, it's animate in view. So let's start from 1 to 100 to see it clearly. So if I go here, look at the speed of the video playing. Look at the speed of video playing. So I want 15%. The start is 15% of the video in the viewport, and I want it to end at 50% of the video in the appearing in the viewport. So the video now will play faster. Look at this, plays faster. Here 50%, the video is ending. And this is it for a video on scroll. And the third option is sections in view. Here we have this video, which is fixed to the viewport because we need to see it while scrolling. So here what we have, let's go to layers. Here this is the structure. I have the desktop, I have this video scrubber, which is fixed to the viewport, and we have this main with a lot of sections which are just stacks. So what's I'm writing here, the video will animate when this section are in view, blue, yellow, and red. So this is the blue section. If we go all the way to the scroll section, has an ID of blue, and yellow has a yellow one ID, and the last one is red and has a scroll section of red. So if I came here, I want to animate when section are in view. So here we have to select the sections. The sections here are 3 sections, the same as we say here. So for the blue section, I want to animate from 0% to 15% of the video progress. And here again, for this is for yellow one, I want from 16% to 75. You can do whatever numbers you want. And here for the last section, which is red, from 75% to 100%. So let's go here and view. So here, let's see, we are waiting for the blue section. The blue section, animate, and stops. The video stops until the yellow is in view. This is the yellow in view. Look, doesn't look yellow, but this is the yellow. So stops until the red is in view, and nice, and it goes up and down. So let's go to, where is the yellow? Let's see the yellow. Okay, this is the yellow. Let's make it yellow. Okay, this looks yellowish. Okay, this is yellow. So let's go again. The blue, yellow, and red. The blue is in view. Animate. Stops. This is orange, and this is yellow. Animate. And we go stop until the red is starting to appear in view, and so on. Animates up and down, forward and backward. So this is the component. You can find the link in the description, and if you like it, please give me a like and subscribe. The other thing that we didn't mention is what when publishing. So I'm gonna update, and let's go here, starting. So I'm gonna start with the unscroll. I'm scrolling. Look at this one, the scroll. Look at this, looks nice. So let's go to video in view. So the video is absolute to other sections. So animate, nice. The video animate faster. Look at this, based on the setting that we made. And let's go to sections in view, the blue, yellow, and red. So animate, stops, yellow, and the red, and it animates up and down. Okay, that is it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.